Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have sunny skies out there this morning. Temperatures getting into the low 70s at the moment, but we do have a nice day ahead of us today and a nice next couple of days for our weekend. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have high pressure over the eastern part of the country, keeping things nice and seasonable and quiet as we go throughout the rest of the weekend, not expecting any active weather. So if we take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have some northeasterly winds near the surface, turning more northerly to northwesterly at 25,000 feet, fairly light through the column, with a peak wind of 17 knots at 20,000 feet, and the freezing levels at 13,700 feet. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see those clear skies across the region with very seasonable temperatures and light winds. Just a few cumulus clouds around 3,000 feet off the coast, but very nice day expected across the region for our Friday. Take a look at the GFS to see how the next 7 days play out. Expecting dry weather as we go throughout our weekend with high pressure in control, and then as that high pressure starts to move to the east, we'll see some southerly flow build back up as we get into our Sunday. That will allow things to warm up a couple degrees for our Sunday, and we'll start a warming trend as we go into the beginning of next week, with things remaining dry. Next possible chance of rain will be as we get into the day on Tuesday, as we have a weak boundary pushing through the area, which could potentially spark up a few showers during the afternoon Tuesday, but otherwise behind that front we'll see high pressure control things again for our Wednesday and into the beginning of Thursday. And then as we get into Thursday evening, we'll have a stronger boundary moving into the area associated with an upper level trough, and that has a better chance of bringing us some showers, particularly as we get into late Thursday and into our Friday. We also have this low pressure system. This would be potential outcome of Tropical Storm Fiona, but again, this is 160 hours out, so not much confidence in this forecast at the moment, but we'll be keeping an eye on that as we go into next week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we are green across the board today, expecting things to be very nice with a high around 78 with some light north-northeasterly winds around 49 knots, turning more east-northeasterly to southeasterly as we go into the evening, and then becoming light and variable as we go into the overnight hours, expecting a low around 59. And we do have just a slight chance of some patchy fog in the area during our morning hours before sunrise on Saturday. If we look at the next couple of days, Saturday should be another mostly sunny and seasonable day with just a slight breeze with a high of 79. And then going into Saturday evening, expecting a mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions, pleasant with slight chance of some patchy fog again for our Sunday morning. And then going into Sunday, mostly sunny and a little bit warmer with a slight breeze, a high of 82. And looking at the extended forecast as we go into Monday, expecting more mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions with a high of 84. And then going into Tuesday, again, a slight warming trend, expecting a high of 85, just a 10% chance of that afternoon shower, but we'll see some extra clouds in the area. So partly cloudy to mostly cloudy day. And then going into Wednesday, we'll see things clear up with another mostly sunny day. Just a couple degrees cooler, but still warm with a high of 82. And then going into Thursday, we'll see things warm up ahead of that next boundary with a high of 85. With another partly to mostly cloudy day as these clouds build in ahead of that front, and we'll see just a 10% chance of rain for our Thursday, as the better rain chances will start moving in through the evening and into Friday. But otherwise, upper 60s for our lows through that extended period, and just slightly above average temperatures for this time of year. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your weekend.